want to invite you to ask the question, what kind of legacy are you leaving? What kind of impact are you having on the world? If you're ready to really step into your power and become that healer, that coach that truly helps people get to the other side of trauma, who watches healing happen before their eyes, who gets to create their own schedule, their own prices, run their own business. If you are really looking at stepping into your power as a healer, this course will help you do that. I'm also here to help you on the business end of things, to show you what I've done and how I do things. That way you can have a guide, someone to walk you through step by step how I've set everything up so that clients come to me easily and book effortlessly. I'm here to guide you and walk you through that process.